Last year's summer trip was to France. So my family and I's first destination was Pau. So we flew to Pau from San Francisco. We spent a couple of days there and visited many museums and the Chateau de Pau, which was the birthplace of Henry IV. So after staying there, we decided to drive to Lyon, and the vector from Pau to Lyon was 5,4. So on the map, you would go 5 spaces to the right since it's positive. So you go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and up 4 spaces. 1, 2, 3, 4, and then you reach the second destination. In Lyon, we visited a very famous cathedral, and we also stayed there for another couple of days, and then decided to drive to Tours, which was only about a 4-hour drive, so not that bad. The vector from Lyon to Tours was -4,2. So since it's negative, now we're traveling left when we go across. So we go 4 spaces left. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and then up 2 spaces, 1, 2, and now we've reached the third destination. So in Tours, we went to many fine arts museums, which was pretty cool. And we spent about 3 more days there, and then made another long drive to Strasbourg, which was our last destination. The drive was a little over 6 hours, but it was doable. The vector from Tours to Strasbourg was 7,2. So you go to the right 7 spaces since it's positive. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and up 2 spaces, 1, 2. So we ended in Strasbourg, went to the Cathedral Notre Dame, which was very interesting, spent a couple more days there, and then flew home. So yeah, that was our trip.